Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Boli and this is my first video on YouTube. So today I want to teach you how to roast a plantain. Roasted plantain is one of my favorite food. I love it so much and it's one of the best street food in my country, Nigeria. You can enjoy roasted plantain with any sauce of your choice. You can enjoy it with fried egg, you can enjoy it with stew, you can enjoy it with even peanut. You can as well just eat it like that. It's really good. So let's get started. I already have my plantain here, I have my knife, and I have my tray covered in foil. So the first thing we need to do is to preheat our oven. So now I'm just gonna on my oven and I'm just gonna use broil, and my broil has low, it has high, so I'm gonna leave it at high. Then I click on start and you preheat your oven for like 2 minutes. Then you place your tray inside your oven. And another thing is make sure the tray is like 10 to 15 minutes away from the light. Then you close your oven. So I'm just gonna peel off the skin and get it back to you guys. So guys, the skin is off. Now I'm just gonna place my plantain on the tray in my oven, and make sure you leave your oven open because we don't want the plantain to be saggy and we don't want it to get burnt. So for that we need to leave our oven open. So guys, the plantain is becoming brown. So once one side of it is brown, what you need to do is to move out your tray because man, India is very hot. So you just want to flip it the other way around and flip it the other way around too and move it back inside. So guys, the other part is getting brown, so you move it out and turn it again. All you just need to do is just keep turning it round and round. Keep turning it round and round till every part of the plantain is brown. So guys, our plantain is ready. Look how beautiful it is. So, and now I'm just gonna enjoy this with my peanut. See how beautiful, how nice this is. Look at the inside. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you so much guys and have a great day.